Have you ever spent too much time filling out all those endless course evaluation forms, clicking through thousands of different questions one by one? For every single course you are taking, it is super repetitive and completely eats up your time. Well, guess what? You don't have to do it manually anymore because I have got a shortcut for you that will fill out entire form in literally 1 second. Here is all you need to do. Press F12 button from your keyboard. Click over the console tab right on the top. Type allow pasting and hit enter. Now copy and paste the quick code snippet into the console and hit enter. Boom! Just like a magic, every single radio button instantly snapped strongly agreed. And NA gets filled out into all the comment boxes automatically. All that left is just to hit the submit button. You're officially done. Look, I know this is a bit unethical, but it's just as annoying. It's so irritating when it pops up every time I open this page and I don't have a choice. Anyway, hit like and subscribe if you are facing the same situation. I really hope this saves you time.